everybody. I'm going to show you, my name is Sarah, and I'm going to show you how to do a summertime bun on your American Girl doll or any doll that's got long hair. Okay.
But it can't be like Kit because I guess you could do one like right up at the top, But, yeah, so.
Not on Nelly or something, But I'm pretty sure you can't unless you, put a wig on them or something. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the doll's hair into ponytail, but make sure it's not covering the ears, because if it covers the ears, it'll look more like a wintertime bun than a summertime bun. Okay? And you can basically, if it's the wintertime and you're watching this and you want to do this on your American Girl doll, then I'd say that you could just put it down below, like here. I think that would look cute for the winter time. Then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of twist your head a little bit. And then just kind of twist it around. Make sure you're twisting it as you kind of wrap it around, because if you don't twist it, it's going to look bad. Okay, and then you're just going to wrap it around 2 times. And then you're going to take your scrunchie or whatever, a bigger hair thing or whatever you call it.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. And then you're going to just keep putting as many as you want on. I say at least 3 is secure.
3 or 4.
I think 3 or 4 is good, but you can do like 10. I've done 10 before, and it looks like a fiesta. Like a fiesta hairstyle. Like if you're going to something fiesta, you should totally do this. It's funny. And you can put some clips here. I don't have any with me right now, so you can put some clips on the side right here. And then I guess that's what you can do.
So thanks
cool
for watching, and if you like our hairstyle, please post a comment at the bottom of the screen. Thanks. Post a comment. Thanks.